How to set a password for your Excel file. Part 1, I will show you how to set a password required to open the file. Part 2, I will show you how to set a password required to edit the file. Part 1, how to set up your Excel file to require a password to open. First, open the Excel file. On the top ribbon, click on File, then click on Save As, click on Browse. In this window, click the arrow over here next to Tools pointing down. Click on third option, General Options. First cell, type in your password. Click OK. Enter the password one more time. Click OK. And once over here, click Save. Click Yes, you're overwriting the old file. Now let me close this. Try to reopen it. You see it requires a password to open.